Are you running a business or is your business running you? The way you pay yourself could be the difference between long-term growth or endless frustration. In this video, we'll talk about how small business owners pay themselves the right way so you can take control of your finances and set your businesses up for stability and success. Here's what you're going to learn in this video. First, we'll talk about why you should pay yourself a salary instead of taking random draws. Next, I'll walk you through a simple cash flow management system to help you stay consistent and reinvest in your business growth. Finally, we'll cover the mindset shift you need to run your business like a business owner. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to transform how you approach your finances. Your business is like the goose that lays the golden eggs. If you starve the goose by pulling money out of your business unpredictably whenever you need it, you'll end up with no golden eggs, and worse, no goose. But if you feed the goose properly, it'll continue laying golden eggs for years to come. That's exactly what we'll focus on today. Feeding the goose so it keeps working for you. The biggest mistake small business owners make is treating their business revenue like their personal piggy bank. They pull out money whenever they need it without a clear system or plan. This approach, known as taking an owner's draw, might seem convenient at first, but it creates chaos in both your business and your personal finances. When you don't take control of how you pay yourself, here's what happens. First, your finances become unpredictable. Without a set income, it's impossible to budget and manage your household finances. That creates unnecessary stress. Second, taxes get messy. Random draws mean no upfront tax withholdings, so you're stuck with estimating what you owe the government. That often leads to not having enough to pay your taxes on time, which can lead to penalties and big surprises during the tax season. It doesn't stop there. Random draws reduce your business equity, leaving you with fewer resources to reinvest in growth, things like hiring, marketing, or equipment upgrades. This keeps your business stuck in survival mode. On top of that, banks and investors may see your inconsistent approach as unprofessional, making it harder to secure loans or attract funding. And the worst job in the world is one you own, because it feels like there's no escape. And that leads to frustration, exhaustion, and burnout. Here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck in this cycle. By implementing a better system, paying yourself a salary, and managing your cash flow strategically, you can create stability, simplify taxes, and free yourself to run your business like a business owner. Now, let's talk about what happens when you pay yourself the right way with a consistent salary. First, you get financial stability. Paying yourself a consistent salary gives you predictable income. You'll no longer have to worry about covering personal expenses each month, which takes a huge weight off your shoulders. And it keeps you from robbing your business to fund your lifestyle. Second, taxes will become simpler. With payroll taxes deducted from your salary automatically and quarterly payments budgeted and saved for systematically, tax season becomes far less stressful. Third, your business grows. By separating personal and business finances, you protect your business's equity, so you have more resources to reinvest in opportunities, like expanding to new markets, buying necessary equipment, or hiring more staff. Fourth, you'll gain professional credibility. A structured pay system shows banks and investors that you're serious about your business, making it easier to secure funding when you need it. Fifth, you'll experience peace of mind and focus. With a solid system in place, you'll spend less time worrying about finances and more time working on what really matters, growing your business. And finally, you'll feel a sense of freedom. When you shift your mindset from owning a job to running a business, you'll regain control of your business and your future. This concept is critical for your business success. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. And poor cash flow management is the number one reason small businesses fail. According to a U.S. bank study, 82% of small businesses fail because of cash flow problems. Paying yourself the right way is one of the best ways to avoid becoming part of that statistic. If you don't separate your personal finances from your business finances, you're not running a business. And if you don't treat your compensation seriously, neither will banks, investors, or even clients. A structured system gives you freedom, credibility, and control. Here's the plan you need to implement. First, all revenue goes into a dedicated operating account. Next, set a threshold for your operating account balance. I recommend keeping at least 1 month's operating expenses, including your salary, in that account. Anything above that threshold is considered a surplus, and that surplus is divided into 2 parts. 50% goes into a tax account to cover your quarterly taxes, and the other 50% goes into a profit account. The tax account is strictly for taxes. Don't touch it for anything else. From the profit account, you'll pay yourself a quarterly dividend and save for reinvestment in your business, like hiring staff or upgrading equipment. Once a quarter, take 50% of the profit account balance as a dividend or a bonus. After taxes are paid each year, move any surplus from the tax account into the profit account. Over time, as your profit account grows, aim to build up reserves equal to about 1 year of your operating expenses. That will create safety. After that, surplus funds from the profit account can go into a business investment account for larger growth opportunities. And here's an important note. If your business hits a rough patch, follow the break glass in case of emergency rule. It's better to borrow from your profit account temporarily to cover operating expenses than to abandon the system entirely or to wait until you have reserves to start implementing the system. The truth is, if you don't start this cash flow management system, you're not likely to build reserves. Now, understanding is the first step. To make this work, you must build a cash flow management system that fits your business. In an upcoming video, I'll show you exactly how to do just that. Don't miss it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And for more valuable business tips, I'll see you in the next video.